Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and today I'm going to be doing like my kind of updated everyday look. So it's going to be more of a kind of like winter look. It'll be a bit different from my last everyday look. I done my skincare and my brows off camera. So for my eyebrows I just went in with this Revolution Pro eyebrow pencil and the Benefit Gimmie Brow, and I think this is in dark brown and this is in shade 5. I'm just going to start with my primer and I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Putty primer. I'm just going to kind of push that into my skin. And when I'm putting in products like this, you've got to kind of push it up so that you're not like dragging your like skin like down low. And for foundation I'm going to go with this Maybelline SuperStay in the shade light beige. So with foundation I always start kind of in the centre and like drag it out to the like outside of my the outer bit of my face, just to like make sure that kind of this wee bit has got the most coverage. And for my concealer I'm going in with this Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. So this is in the shade CO.3. I just put a tiny wee bit there and there. A little bit under my nose and on my chin. And then some on my forehead. And just I'm just putting a wee bit where I've got some like spots and stuff. I think that's it. To blend that in I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush. And just bringing the concealer onto my eyelid as well. To set my face I'm just going to go in with this Revolution translucent powder and then just push that into my skin. So I'm not so much baking, but I'm kind of pressing the powder in just to make sure like it sets my face properly. And I'm only setting the parts of my face that tend to get like a little kind of greasy, so just like my T-zone, my upper lip and my chin, and I'll set under my eyes as well to set my concealer. So I'm just going to go straight in with my eyes, and for my kind of like everyday makeup I've been using my Urban Decay Naked Basics palette again. So I'm just going to go in with that. So I done my first eye off camera, and then so I'm just going to get started with my second one. I'm going to go in with this shade first, Faith here. I'm just going to kind of press that to the outer corner to begin with. and then start bringing it in my crease. And then just kind of bring it out into a little flick as well. To blend that out, I'm going to go with this nuder, like this paler shade here, Commando, this one. I want a kind of fluffier brush and just start buffing that out. And then bring in, and then I'm just going to bring this look out a wee bit more as well. I'm just going to go back in with the shade Faith and kind of darken it up again a wee bit. Like just darken my crease. And just blend that out again. For the outer corner, I'm just going to go in with this dark burgundy kind of shade, Lethal. And I'm just going to go in with a really small brush and just pack that into the inner corner and my lash line. And then blend that out with the brush I had Faith on. I'm just going to bring it through, like into my crease again and then out, and blend it out to the flick bit. And then just kind of smudge the lash. Just going to kind of buff it all out again with the shade that had Commando. My like bottom lash line, I'm just going to go in with my brush with Faith and just bring that right to the end and then up. And again, just kind of blend that out with the brush that had Commando on it. For my lid, I'm just going to go in with this shade here, the palest shade Below, and just put that on my lid. I'm just going to go in with my Benefit roller liner and just do a really small flick. For mascara, I'm just going to go in with this Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I'm just going to go off camera really quickly and just add these like kind of wispy lashes. So these are from Ardell. And then I'll be back to do the rest of my skin. So I've added my lashes and I'm just going to go in with this Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just going to keep my bronzer quite high up. I saw this like technique on TikTok and I haven't actually tried it yet, but it's meant to like lift your face more. I'm just putting the leftover product on my forehead and some on my jawline and under my chin, and then a little bit on my nose. I think that worked out really well. And for blush, because I don't want like a kind of out there look today, I'm just going to go in with this Revolution blusher Reloaded, and this is the shade Sweet Pea. I'm just going to do the same thing again and kind of keep it quite high up on my cheekbones. This product's quite nice because like it's got enough pigment, but if you want to you can kind of build it up. But I'm just going to keep it quite like sheer today. This is also a really nice blush if you've got like quite pale skin like I do. I'm just going to put a wee bit on my nose. And for highlighter again, because I just kind of want to keep it a bit like toned down, I'm going in with this Revolution Pro Skin Finish, and this is the shade Luminescence, I think. That's what this one looks like. And this is the same kind of thing. It's like it's got enough pigment, but if you wanted to build it up, you could. And I'm just going to keep that on the kind of like tip of my cheekbone, like right here. And only bring it up a little bit, so just every time I turn, the light will still hit it. Then just some on the tip of my, and then I'm just going to put some on like the very top of the bridge of my nose, and a little on my forehead and chin and upper lip. And then I'm going to go in with my lips now, so using this MAC lip pencil in the shade Whirl, I'm just going to line my lips really quickly. And when I'm overlining the top of my lip, I'm just going to kind of round it off. I'm just going to go in with this MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety, and that's this one here. Then to set everything, I'm just going to go in with this Revolution Pollution Control All Nighter Setting Spray. This is the finished look. I think it's like a really nice kind of everyday look, and also because it's getting colder and that now, you can kind of wear more full coverage makeup without like sweating it off and stuff. But I think this is just a really nice kind of like everyday simple look. Like it's not too much. You could go to like work or go shopping or anything like this and you wouldn't look like out of place. But yeah, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'd really appreciate it if you could like it or subscribe or even comment or anything. It really like helps get my videos out. If you'd like to see like kind of any like future videos and that, you could subscribe. I'm trying to upload at least once a week on a Friday, but sometimes it will be like a Saturday. But yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.